Believe it or not, this one gets debated a little bit among doctors, but you might be bathing your baby too often. I'm Dr. Williams. I'm a board-certified pediatrician and father of 5. And the first thing I want you to know is that you really ought to avoid submersion baths until your newborn's little umbilical cord falls off completely. That's usually around 10 to 14 days or so. We're all a little bit cautious about bath time before that because if you think about it, there's a direct little highway that used to take blood directly from mom through kiddo's belly button to their liver and heart. If your baby's belly button were to ever get infected, we'd all have a big freak out because there's direct access to some pretty important organs. So we try to avoid submersion baths until that thing completely falls off. And after that is where it's a little debated. The dirty secret is that babies just don't get that dirty. They're not out there doing motocross and they're not bull riding and, they're not working the mines. So sponge bathing their faces, their necks, and their diaper area is probably adequate most of the time. And remember, every time you give your child an actual submerged bath, you're washing away all the protective oils from their skin and you're at risk of kind of drying them out. My opinion is that every few days, even up to once a week, is probably enough for a full-on bath in the tub. And please, 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 please pay attention to the following. Have all of your bathing supplies gathered first and within arm's reach before you start the bath. Use warm water, but not hot water. Keep kiddo warm during the whole process. They're kind of terrible at maintaining their own body temperature. And be sure to keep one hand physically on the baby throughout the whole bath time. And here's my best bath time tip. When it's time to get baby out of the bath, you've got a 2-minute timer to pat your kiddo dry. Don't rub them dry, and then grease them up from head to toe with a good emollient or a thick cream. Ending each bath like that will really do a lot to help prevent eczema and dry skin and really just keep them runway ready. Comment yes if you're interested and share this for more vital health tips.